Welcome to ContentRyte platform, the world's first AI site intelligence writer that learns about your site DNA, first before writing a single word on your site. So let's quickly continue. Learn how to connect your WordPress site to ContentRyte in minutes. Click Add a WordPress site to begin setup. If you already have a WordPress site, then you can plug in your own WordPress site details and set up an application password. But if you don't have one right now, you can create a test site for yourself from TasteWP for free. Just click Open TasteWP to launch your demo site. Click Set It Up to configure your site. Click your site URL to open it. Click OK, got it to continue. Click Dismiss to close the notification. Now you need to pay attention closely here. The WordPress site password you just got cannot be used. Instead, you need to generate an application password. Go to Users and then select Profile to create an application password. Type any name for your application password. Click Add Application Password to generate credentials. Click Copy to save your password securely. Paste your application password here. Enter your WordPress username. For this demo, since I created a user account already on tastapeta.com, so my username is fixed at Webliska. But for you, it can be displayed when you generated the fresh test site. Enter your WordPress site URL provided to you at the time of getting a test site. Click your site URL to copy it. Click Save Credential to store your connection details. Select Download the Lumen AI Writer plugin to proceed, and download our proprietary Lumen AI Writer plugin that acts as a bridge plugin to connect your WordPress site and pass on real-time data to ContentRyte platform. And the ContentRyte platform then uses this data, along with its site intelligence suite, to plan and write content based on your website tone, previous articles and matching your writing styles, and even interlink your old articles for references. Select Add Plugin in WordPress Admin. Click Upload Plugin to add the downloaded file. Click to select the plugin zip file from your computer where you saved it. Select the file and click Install Plugin. Choose the downloaded plugin file from your computer. Click Activate Plugin to enable ContentRyte features. Select Settings to configure the Lumen AI Writer plugin to obtain Bridge token. Enable ContentRyte Bridge to connect your site. Click Save Settings to apply your changes. Click the button to copy your bridge token and be ready to paste it in ContentRyte platform. Paste your bridge token here to authenticate. Click Connect to finalize your integration. You are done and configured completely. Now select WordPress from the list of integrations. Select Settings to verify your connection and see if your WordPress site is fully connected to the bridge plugin or not. Confirm Connected status shows your site is ready. Now, since you have already connected your WordPress site and installed the Lumen AI Writer Bridge plugin, it's the right time to go and create a new workspace. A workspace is the module where you will add the keywords in your website and get the content planning done inside ContentRyte platform. Now find the workspaces in your left sidebar panel and click on that. Select Workspaces to organize your content projects. Click Create your first workspace to get started. Enter your website name in the field. Enter your website URL here. Click here to move forward and add comma-separated keywords for your business products and services. Use keywords that people search in Google to find your business so that our site intelligence scanner system can plan the contents for you professionally. Select your connected WordPress website from the drop-down menu if you have connected it earlier already, or you can leave it blank for now. You can also set up a brand identity if you like from filling the options here. Enter your brand name for personalized content. Fill the rest of the options in brand identity for our AI writer to be able to include your brand identity while writing the articles personalized just for your site and brand. Choose your content publishing frequency. Choose your days for your schedule. Click Create and Analyze to finish workspace setup. Click Explore to discover your workspace features. Now on this page, our AI system has started working on the 4 core areas. Scroll down to the page and select any content title and click Write to start creating content. You will see that the entire article, heading, outline, and literally everything is pre-populated for you just by clicking the Write Article button. All you have to do now is click Generate Article to create new content. Click Save Content to preserve your work. Click Check SEO to see your article SEO score and see the rooms for improvements. Review all these fields to analyze your SEO score. Now let's move on and add an AI-generated image here to this article quickly. Select AI image to generate visuals automatically. Write your image prompt here and let the AI do its magic to generate a visually stunning creative for this post. Click Generate Content to create new text. Now AI will take about 30 to 45 seconds to generate the AI image. Click here to insert into the article body. Click Add to Article to insert content. Click Save Changes to update your article. Click here to view export options. Now the next beautiful step of this platform is the ability to never leave the ContentRyte platform and directly generate and schedule the social posts. Select a social platform to generate for. Click Generate Posts to create social content. Review the social posts generated for you selected platforms. See below to connect account first and connect your social media pages and accounts here. Once connected, you can click Post to publish on your connected social media right from the article wizard. Now moving back to our next part, which is publishing to the connected WordPress site directly from here. Click Push to WordPress to publish online. Click here to select your WordPress site from the drop-down and choose the relevant site categories, tags, and your preferred author. Click Push to WordPress to finalize. Select all articles to view your content and see if it's published to your site or not. You can see the article is successfully published to your site. Now let's confirm this in your WordPress site. Select all posts in WordPress admin. Click View to see your published article. You can see your published article here live on your website with your AI-generated image inserted as the feature image inside the article. Now imagine how much time you have actually saved in doing all this process manually. While other AI article writers waste your time and bandwidth to ask you to manually copy-paste and insert and edit your WordPress article, ContentRyte does all that in just one click, and your professional article is published straight to your WordPress's sites. Thank you for watching this demo. Let's start utilizing the real superpowers of ContentRyte platform and start building high-income authority sites from scratch.